Hello, Donna. So I have come up with the contact us uh, campaign. So basically, what's it's a flow that you need to understand. You have to watch the full video. So I have created this campaign basically. So how it works? Basically, these are the entry points. This is the entry point to enter the campaign, and uh, enter the campaign, it goes to the this sequence, and this enter campaign tag has been removed, and other one is applied, which is push start. So these are the empty space. In the future you may have some kind of actions as well. So I'll show you these I have put these three rows. So basically this one goes from here to start one. So once the campaign has started, so I have applied the sixth and strategy up tagging system, so you cannot be lost anytime or anywhere. So it will be organized Infusionsoft account. So otherwise it's gonna be a mess and within a few months or year. But if you go to through proper tagging system, you will not get mess. So once it's started, go to the contact us sequence, and in the contact us sequence you will see a three rows. So basically maybe it sounds confusing at the beginning, but once you understand what are these and why I have insert all the documentation over here, you can just read it out. Why the status tag is t tag to do and profile, and the last one is the system tags. So I have already mentioned over here that this row is only for the status and history tag. What are the status tag? Basically status tag is for the contact. You can see the current status. What is the current status of the contact in the campaign? So you will know that anytime. So each person will have only one status campaign tag. So you will know that what is the status of the person, because in the future you may have this kind of sequence, maybe more than a 50. So how you will know that one person is on a which status? What is the status of that person in the campaign? So within these status tag you will know that the history tag is will be forever. So you will know that this person has gone through this sequence. So for example, if you go to this one, so it will have a status, and this one is the tag, and but this will be removed if he goes jump into the another sequence. But the history tag will be forever. So you will know the history of the contact, that this person has gone through this sequence as well. So basically these are the two main functions you should have these. So one for the status of the person, one that history that this person has gone through these sequences in the past. Okay, then go to the system tag. What are the system and integration tags? Basically system tags are the entry points to move around, but when they go to this one, they automatically gonna remove the system tag. But if we have, for example, after some time you want to stop that, so you can just delay the timer and I can put the system tag as a stop. It will jump to the stop sequence. Okay, let's come to the last row. This one is a to-do profile tag and an email. So for example, uh, this is the first email. Once the contact fill up the form on a contact us page, and they will receive this email from you from the Infusionsoft. And also in the same sense, the to-do tag has been applied. To-do tag has been applied means it says that to do means needs to do something, that is need to contact this person. So you will know that this person is applied to do tags or need to contact. But in other manners I have also created the task for you. So there is a both way. Either you can see the tag or either you can have a task. I said it's like a contact us, call this phone number, and this one is the first name. This as a fill up the contact us form on a website, please contact SAP, and I assign to the donor, or you can put any other. And this is the simple task you will see on the dashboard, of the uh, Infusionsoft. And when you go to this one, so once the task is complete, so when someone, you can see the task on the dashboard, and you just call them and contact already and just complete the task, it will automatically come from here to stop sequence. So the status tag will be no more. In the stop sequence, to do will be removed, system tags will be removed, and status tag will remove. Only the history tag will be forever, that for the person, so that we know that this person has gone through that campaign in the past. Okay, I have created the one internal form, smart form for internal use only, to emergency stop. For example, we have a lot of emails after one day, and you want to stop something, this campaign. So you can directly, go to here into the contact forms, and in the smart forms you can directly, go to this one, and you can apply the tag. For example, contact, yeah, at the end you can see the start and stop. Any contact you can directly campaign start and stop from the Infusionsoft as well. If you want them to manually put them into the campaign, it's up to you. Okay, so this is the campaign. I know it's a little bit confused, but it's trust me, once you get to know that how it works, it will be really easy, and you have nothing to do there. Only you have to put the reporting, and you can see that how it works. You can see this, the last 424 hours, one contact has been moved around from here to whole campaign. That was me as I was testing. But you can see the current status, there is only queued, but there is nothing, only the nothing active contact inside. Okay, okay, and let's come to the WordPress. I already set up the Infusionsoft with the Gravity Forms. It's a really complicated system to integrate this one, because it's really security purposes. I just already authorized, and everything is perfectly fine working and tested. I have created the contact of web form, and I always very conscious about the naming of the tagging, naming of the campaigns, naming of the status, so you will not get lost any time. Okay, let's come to the point. And I have created, and I already put it on your website on a contact us. You can see this one. I have replaced the current one, and I put the Infusionsoft one. And no worries, the designing part, I will do the designing, and I will put Sam something like that. So this is not really worried about it. Let's say I'm going to put like XYZ 66 ABC 99, and now let me put my email, gmail.com, and I'll put some phone numbers. Here is the subject, here is my message. Okay, so I also, excuse me, once I sign up and submit, it will give me a simple text message for thank you, and you can put customize that message as well, if up to you. Thank you for the contact us, we will get in touch with you. So basically, if you go to the WordPress and you see the entries or entries of the form, you will see that XYZ and so on, everything is over here. But if you, at the same time, if you go to the Infusionsoft, now you will see the current status, and when I refresh this, you will see the active person over here. It will be stuck in this sequence. There you go. So two has been gone through this campaign, this sequence, and one is active over here. So this is me just right now, and now it's in the process of the task completion. So once someone call or email them, and he has already received the email, the contact, I will show you. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see the Donna, welcome to the body pro beauty. If you click on that, you can see I have already set up all the social media and so on, and signature, your signature. So you will see this, he has received this, thank you, when we will contact you. And now if you go to the sequence, this one is stuck here. But if you go to the home page, you will see there is a one task is due. There you go. So XYZ 666 ABC, please call this one. So once someone click, and he can see the details that what he has been done, and here is a message, subject, the fields you want to put over here, and you can just directly call them. And if everything is you know good to go, then you can just mark as a complete. And once you mark as a complete, this will jump from here to stop, so it will be stop the sequence. And as, or you can put them into the any other campaign in the future for now. So let's try this, and this says is task completed. And if you go to the campaign and refresh it, you will see comes from here to here and stop the sequence. So this one has been done, and this is how it works. And we can have also other campaigns, something like that. But this one is a simple contact us. But other campaigns like a training program and so on will have so many sequences, and they will attach to each other based on a action, based on a click, based on a open, based on a tags. And so, and based on my experience, it will have a bunch of sequences over here. But for now, for the understanding purposes and for initial testing and so on, you can see this how it works. And you can also notify to yourself that this person has fill up the form and so on. So let me know if you have any question regarding this. I'll be great to help you on this. Thank you.